Hi, welcome to the 10th Spring Showcase. My name is Kathleen and I'll be showing you how to use your Google Chromecast to watch the amazing films presented in our Spring Festival. Here's my trusty assistant Carmela. Sometimes she has trouble with technology, but we love her for who she is. She's here to help me explain to you all how to work Google Chromecast on your devices. So now that you purchased your film ticket or pass via email, what now? If you have a Google Chromecast for your TV, here is how you set it up. Make sure your Google Chromecast is already plugged into your TV and installed through the Google Chrome web browser. It will not work if it is plugged somewhere else. Once your Chromecast is set up, open your email using Google Chrome and look at your purchase tickets. Click the Watch Now button via your email to open a video in order to watch. You can also choose a video from your past library in Google Chrome to enter the video screen that looks like this. Once you enter the video screen, click the play button in the middle. Now you will see the 24-hour watching window information that will describe that you have 24 hours to finish watching this film and you must watch it on this browser on this device. Click Yes to start the rental, and the movie will begin playing. In order to use your Google Chromecast, wait for the video to load, and then press pause. Once it is paused, the film will load, and you'll see the Chromecast button right here. Click the Chromecast button, and you'll be able to select your Chromecast device. Mine is called Living Room TV. Once you choose that device, it will connect and it will cast to your TV via your Google Chromecast. I like that song, but the volume's going to disturb the crew. We have to be careful, remember? You guys okay over there? Yeah, we're good. Enjoy the film festival!